Hi everyone, I am Dr. Chirag Desai, consultant dermatologist, Divya Sparsh Skin and Hair Clinic, Dadar, Mumbai. The topic for discussion today would be sunscreens. As the days are becoming much more sunnier and the sun is becoming harsher, it is very important to protect your skin from the harmful sun rays by application of a sunscreen. Now, the question that would rise in your mind would be, how do I choose an ideal sunscreen that best suits my skin? What parameters should I look for? One important parameter that you should look for while buying a sunscreen is the SPF, or the sunburn protection factor. It is the ability of a sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UVB rays. An SPF of 15 gives a 93% protection, whereas an SPF of 30 gives 97% protection if an adequate amount of sunscreen is applied. However, because of hot and humid climate, I don't think that anyone would apply an adequate quantity of sunscreen, and therefore higher SPFs like SPF 50, SPF 80 or even SPF 100 is good enough. Another important thing that you should look for is the PA value. A PA value of more than 4 star is good enough for application and protection. A PA value is the ability of a sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UVA rays. Now, depending upon your skin type, you should choose a sunscreen. If your skin is of dry type, you should use a moisturizing sunscreen or a sunscreen which is lotion based. If your skin is of acne prone type or oily type, you should use a water based sunscreen. If your skin is of sensitive type, you should generally use a physical sunscreen. There are various sunscreens like water resistant or very water resistant. You should understand that a water resistant sunscreen will protect your skin for 40 minutes when immersed in water, and a very water resistant sunscreen will protect your skin for 80 minutes when immersed in water. Very water resistant sunscreens are also called as sweat resistant sunscreens. So these are very useful, especially in while you are doing certain activities like jogging, gymming, etc. One another important question is, will sunscreen result in vitamin D deficiency? No, application of sunscreens will not result in vitamin D deficiency because your hands and other body areas are still exposed to sun. And secondly, even 2 exposures per week for few minutes is enough to produce adequate quantities of vitamin D in your body. How much sunscreen should I apply on face and neck? 3 ml of sunscreen or little more than half teaspoon is to be applied for adequate protection. How frequently should I apply a sunscreen? A sunscreen needs to be applied every 2 to 3 hours to give you adequate amount of protection. It is not like that you apply the sunscreen in the morning and you have the whole day protection. You have to frequently apply at least 2 to 3 hours a day. I hope you find this information useful. Thank you.